Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer money from US Bank to India Bank. This is easy. The first thing we need to do is open our US Bank app and then we're gonna click this option called Pay Bills and Transfer. Once we click this option, we're gonna click this option called External Transfers. And then right here we can see we have the option called Send a Wire Transfer. Wire transfers allowed us to send money to other countries. This is easy to do with this option. You need to click send wire and then you need to add the contact that will receive the money. You need also select an account to withdraw the money to send it to this person. It's really easy. You can add the account and click this button right here, and then once you add your contact, you can select the contact clicking send wire and then select the contact. It's easy. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.